Imagine an organic gardening class where you get to come into an actual organic garden and learn how to grow your own herbs, how to grow lettuce, fresh tomatoes, cucumbers. Not only learn how to grow them, but how to harvest them, right? How do I harvest basil when it's ready? You can learn this with me, Brent Knoll of Brent's Organic Gardens, December 17th, live at the Healing Garden of Miami for a half-day class, which includes a morning garden tour and tutorial on organic gardens, and to cap it off, an actual you-pick organic garden harvest. Come to the Healing Garden here, December 17th, and I'm going to show you firsthand on how to harvest fresh lettuce, grow herbs, how to maintain your garden.